Samanye bafethu nisakhumbula ukuthi mokhona ushumo wenzeka lapha that day of Metro FM Awards lapho nalizanga wina khona because it was against the Black Mambazo, and then because of inhliziyo ebhlungu nokuphatheka kakubi waba umuntu ukuthi noposta izinto amelanga azipost about Black Mambazo, which like into yenza abantu bazive ngale ndlela baziva ngayo ukuthi nathi uyahloniphi unaleti ya disrespect and all those things, which like it's a fact. Mawengana ukhuluma noba kanjani abantu abadala, especially if like uyazazi ukuthi umncane noba if leso mdala ukhuluma kanjani about ingane. Like respect is very important in everything that we do, no matter how uzizwa kanjani uyibona into le. But into engithanda yona lethi ucolisele yonke lanto leyana.
And people criticized the way you responded, being snapped at the metros. They were saying your approach. What do you have to say with that, with regards to that?
Okay, because ezinye izinto like nginokuzenza without thinking if future ukuthi what's gonna happen, yinezowenzeka. I just do things nje sometimes like out of nowhere, out of anger sometimes, nginokukhuluma nje ukuthi okay manje ngidiniwe and then ngingacabangela ukuthi kusasa kuzoba njani or leyo nto izophenduka injani. I know ukuthi ngirong and I do take a responsibility for that. And I'm so sorry for that to people, to abantu abadala, because it's very painful ukuthi sometimes ukusebenzele into and then ungatholi reward yabo. It's very painful ukufika kabuhlungu ukuthi usebenzele lokho. I know ukuthi ama-fans athande azobe ngixina wathandeka awawuthola ngo2 million tswane ungixina ke lokho ke nje. I do not take any responsibility for that, but mina on my side I'm so sorry if khona umuntu oke wathinteka, especially komkhulu baby Black Mambazo. I'm so sorry for that. Ngizozama ukuthi ngenze kangcono, ngizozama futhi ukuthi nginenze ukuthi nibe proud. Yeah, ngiyanithanda futhi kakhulu, niqhubeni nilalela umusic wami, niqhubeni ngisupport.
Because uyabonisa ukuthi no, like yes mengizizwa ngalendlela mengizizwa ngayo and mengizizwa kabuhlungu and all those things, but manje ngiyabona amaphutha ami ukuthi mangamelanga ukuthi ngenze kanje because I worked hard ndenza ama-campaign nokuspeakile bancedisa yonke lonto leyo ukuthi like manibuye nayo laa ntonto, but I didn't come back with any award, so I was feeling down, I was feeling sad and all those things. I ukuthi ngiyamkhulumela from the fact ukuthi ubonile iphutha lakhe and then wathatha responsibility. That's the most important part. Abantu abaningi vela bayileka esikhathini samanje because abantu abaningi they always do ama-mistake but bengathetha ama-responsibility. So I love the fact ukuthi uthathe responsibility. That is why I'm doing this video bafethu, for ukuthi nalabo bangabonanga ukuthi uqolisile bafethu uqolisile yayibona lonto le, and make sure ukuthi siyaqhubeka nisama support and make sure ukuthi siyaqhubeka nisama